all the looks that I can think of. Like I could think of about 6 looks right now. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you're new, thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it, and I would appreciate it even more if you can click that subscribe button and that notification bell and just join the family, you know. So I am very excited to be filming this look today because it's actually going to be my first impressions review, whatever. Like, I'm trying a new product for the first time, okay? I'm going to be reviewing the Bhcosmetics and Itsmyrayeraye eyeshadow palette, and I'm so excited about this because I've heard nothing but great things about this palette. As you can see, like, it has a lot of warm tones, cool tones, pops of color, and it's 15 eyeshadows all together, so I'm just really excited to try this, something new for the first time. And when you receive it, it comes in a sleeve, then you just take it off, and this is how it looks. And then it has a mirror, which is such a plus. As you can see, these are like the warm shades, you have your transition shades, and then it goes down to the cooler shades. And like, even on camera, it's not even doing it justice. These shadows are like so beautiful. I don't even know what look I'm going for, so I'm just really gonna wing it. But yeah, let's get right into it. I'm so excited, so excited. So as you guys can see, I already have my face done because I really want this tutorial to be mainly about the Itsmyrayeraye eyeshadow palette. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm also going to be using all her brushes. I used her brushes on my face too, only her brushes, and I really like her brushes. They're so soft. And usually I would use this NYX brush for my face, like face powders, all of that. I was using her #1 brush. It is so soft, like it's very soft. But I'm going to be taking her #6 brush. This is like eyeshadow blending brush. And I'm going to be going in with the shade Brick. Literally like a soft brick color. I'm going to be using that as a transition shade. Just gonna dab. There is like some fallout on the palette, so that just tells me that these shadows are gonna be really pigmented. So let's go right in. Pigmented. Wow, I wasn't expecting all of that. Okay. So just going to blend this out. I'm also going to bring it in towards kind of like the side of my nose. Whenever I first put down an eyeshadow, especially with darker colors, I hold the brush like all the way at the bottom because like it's like a very feathered light effect. If you hold it too close, it's going to concentrate that color in just like one spot, so it's going to be very hard to blend out, like, you know, later on. So you just want to hold it at the bottom and like just really work that shadow and blend it out. This color is absolutely gorgeous, and it blends out like a dream as well. Like, it's so easy to blend out. As you can see, like when I first put it on, I have like too much in this inner corner, but once you just blend it out, it's like, you know, it does its job. It just melts right in. That's so pretty. That is like really pretty. So next I'm going to be taking the #7 brush. This is actually like a small smudge brush, but since I'm going in with a darker shade to deepen the crease, I didn't want to use the big blending brush because I really want to be precise with where I put the darker shade. I'm going to blend it out with the blending brush, but to get the precision where I want to apply the darker shade, I'm using the #7 brush. And I'm going to be going in with Bark. Actually, no, I'm going to be going in with Cocoa. Ooh, the pigment Wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. And because the brush is like so dense and small, I'm just getting right in there, right in the crease. So now I'm going to go in with the number 7 brush and blend all of that out. So far, I'm like blown away just by those 2 colors. Like, woo! And I love a nice warm bronzed eye. Like, I feel like these colors complement my skin tone so well. And just like, look how nice that looks. I could honestly like just pop on some lashes and call it a day. And just look how pigmented these eyeshadows are. Like, I really can't. Alright. So next, we're going to go in with the number 8 eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to be using the color Scarlet. It's like a shimmery magenta, but in person it's more like a plumish. On camera it kind of comes out as like a magenta color, but it's a little bit darker in person. Let's see how it comes out when I apply it to my eyelid. And this is her the number 7 brush. Sorry, number 8 brush. That is pretty. I didn't wet my brush or anything. Like, I'm just packing it on. That is pretty. Oh my gosh. That's gorgeous. And these shades just blend together. Like, I'm also like blending it in my crease because I don't want it to be like such a harsh line. I like when like things flow together, because this is not a cut crease tutorial. Like, I tried the cut creases. I'm more of a natural flow type of situation. Now I'm going to go back in with the number 6 brush and just blend so there's no harshness. Oh my gosh, I wasn't like expecting all of this. This is really pretty. But then again, it is Itsmyrayeraye, so she is bomb. She knows what she's doing. So now I'm going to be taking the number 9 brush. On the box it says that it's like more so like an eyeliner smudger brush, but I'm going to use it for the inner portion of my lid. And I'm going to apply this pink. It's a shimmer shade and it's called Top Notch. I'm just going to apply that right in the most inner corner of my eye. And no fallout, you guys. You saw like how it was falling out on the palette before? No fallout. Well, I like. And you want to know what also helps with fallout, especially with the shimmer shades? Pack it on first. Pack it on and then go in and blend it out, do the do. That's pretty. That's like really pretty. This is giving me like an iridescent. Like, there's definitely some iridescence in this color, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's like a pinkish with gold reflex in it. Very pretty. And I'm just like using the tip of the brush and I'm just dragging it right on my crease, bringing it out some. This is going to give me that like wet eyelid look, which is very cute. I'm just going to use the number 8 eyeshadow brush and blend those 2 pinks together so there's no harsh lines. And I'm just going to go back in with the Top Notch shade to make it pop out even more, but just in the corner. I'm just going to go back in with the number 6 blending brush and blend everything together. So now I'm using the BH Liquid Eyeliner Pencil, and I think I'm going to wing it out a little bit. So I have to be very quiet because I need to concentrate. Alright, I'm going to have to do this off camera because I need to get like close in person. I'm going to go in and line my lower lash line, and this is the NYX Retractable Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Brown. And I'm just going to line my waterline with that. And also I do see a little fallout, so it was probably from like that pink shade that I used, but it's okay, like it's good. It's good. So now I'm going to go back in with the palette, and I'm going to take this plum shade at the bottom. This is called Flare, and I'm going to use the number 7 brush, and I'm just going to smoke out my bottom lash line with this. Now, one thing that I do wish this palette did have was a shade for my inner tear duct. I am going to try this shade. It looks darker off camera, but I'm gonna try it out. And I'm gonna use the same number 7 brush. I'm just gonna wipe it off and just pack that in there. Alright, I take that back. This is actually like a really pretty shade. Sorry, Ray Ray, I take it back. And I'm gonna apply that to my brow bone. Now I want to set my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the NYX Control Freak to just set my brows. So now that the eyes are complete, I'm going to finish my face, and for blush, I'm going to go in with the Milani Baked Blush, and this is in the shade Rose d'Oro. This blush, because it's my favorite, like I know how it looks on my skin, it's going to complement this eye so nice. I'm taking the number 2 brush, press it into my skin first. Then now I'm going to set my face with what? Just look how, like that's so pretty. I love the Milani blushes, like they're just so pretty. So I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Woo. And for highlight, I'm going to be going in with the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. This was like my all-time favorite. This was like one of the first highlighters that I got, and it's still intact. Didn't even reach pan. You don't even need that much. Like, it's such a pretty highlight. And this is the number 5 highlighting brush. Just look how gorgeous that is. And the thing that I love about this brush, more over the fan brush that I used to use, is because it's just so precise. If you just get it where you need it to be. The bridge. I'm just going to set my face one more time. For my lips today, I'm going to be doing a nude lip, and I'm going to be using the NYX lip liner in the shade brown and the Bobbi Brown lip color in the shade salmon. It's like a very pretty, it looks very light, but it's going to be really pretty. And teeth check. So here's the final look, you guys. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. I think it came out so pretty. And this palette, I can't wait until like I really dive into this palette again, because these colors are so pigmented. They blend so well together, so pretty. All the looks that I can think of, like I could think of about 6 looks right now. And that's how you know a palette is good. Like when you could just see it and like, alright, I can make about 6, 7 good looks off of this palette. That's how you know your money is well spent. And also the quality of the palette. You guys saw how nice those shadows blended out together and the final look. So I'm definitely recommending this palette. Definitely go get it. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. This look came out so nice. My wings is a little clogged, but that's okay because I'm going to bed after this anyway. So thank you for tuning in. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up, comment, let me know what other looks that you want to see. If you want to see me use other colors in this palette, let me know down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.